Success in business. Entrepreneurs all aspire to it, talk about it, envy those who achieve it. We think about it, fight for it. It is really worth it. Success comes with reaching our aims, and it brings us incomparable satisfaction and happiness. That gives us a unique opportunity to be happy every day. If we achieve small goals every day and step by step, we will be approaching our great dream. Entrepreneurs have to achieve following qualities first. 1. Clear objective about business. Without the aim, no achievement is possible. A thoroughly equipped ship with wonderful crew will arrive nowhere if it hasn't any course of direction. 2. Accurate strategy in business. And planned success is a planned defeat. Accurate and logical strategy helps to realize the grandest projects. A successful business person fulfills a small portion of his great plan every day. If you stick to your plan, then you will be able to realize everything you want. And if you want, you have a potential. 3. Positive attitude in all area. Positive thinking, positive attitude to the world work wonders. You live in the world you create for yourself. You want to live in a wonderful world. Think about something wonderful about your business. Stop being afraid of failures and you will reach your success. 4. Faith in success of your business. Faith strengthens your potential, and doubts destroy it. If you have some desire, leave all your doubts behind. Just believe in the possibility of its realization and you will have not so many obstacles in your way. 5. Self-improvement. It helps us to change for better, overcome our complexes and fears, get rid of diffidence. Remember that everything depends only on you. You are master of your fate, your success and happiness. 6. Self-confidence. It helps us to get top results where there is no premise for it. Fighting with your complexes, the person is approaching the ideal and makes the best of the work. Empowering affirmations for business success. I create wonderful business opportunities by God's grace. First of all, I am very thankful to God for the opportunities that come my way. I'm a perfect match for my ideal client. I'm learning more and more every day about how to reach my ideal clients. I'm good enough to handle my clients. I'm smart enough to get new clients. I am the most successful business person in the world. I am doing business. I can sell anything to anyone. My business is a huge success. Being successful is natural for me. Success, money and happiness come easily to me. I believe in myself and trust in my abilities to succeed in all that I do. My work makes a difference. My income is rapidly increasing. I am smart and successful. I can achieve any goals I set myself in business. I believe in myself and trust in my abilities to succeed in all that I do. My work makes a difference. My income is rapidly increasing. I am smart and successful. I can achieve any goals I set myself in business. I become more and more successful. I help more and more people. I am passionate about my business and that shows in everything I do. I easily attract sales. Capital I. Easily attract my ideal clients. My business allows me to have a life I love. I'm energized in my business. I love the freedom my business provides for me. I am thankful for each and every person who contributes to the success of my business. This is merely a presentation of philosophy of success in business. You are able to turn this philosophy into a powerful tool for improving your business from now on. And then the philosophy will revive and you will benefit from it greatly. This simple philosophy will become your strategy, your guiding thread in achieving success. I am sure it will lead you to great success in your business.